If you're not currently making over $100,000 a year with AI, this is the video for you. I've updated my AI wealth creation blueprint 2026, and I'm going to give it all away for free. By the way, I've grown from 0 to 1.4 million followers on social media teaching AI the past 15 months, and I previously sold an AI company for millions of dollars. Follow and save this video because it's going to be a long one, and you're going to want to listen to it over and over again. Make sure you understand what I'm saying. Number 1 on the list is the easiest place I recommend everybody start because it literally requires no skills. It is AI education, and before you object, how are you supposed to teach people if you don't know anything yourself? The answer is very, very simple. Take one day to learn something interesting about AI, then the next day you post about it on social media, sharing what you learned. Repeat that again and again. Day 1, day 2, day 1, day 2, post it on social media, and you can make money through sponsorships, brand deals. If you want to do more targeted AI education, you can host workshops for companies, speak at events. 1 and 2 is where 99% of people should honestly start. It is the easiest to get started. There is literally no barrier to entry, and it costs $0. Number 3 is selling AI info products. So courses, templates, prompt packs, that kind of thing. I personally don't do any of that, but it is a way to make money. However, you'll notice that the people having success with this are actually doing steps 1 and 2 first, building a brand and community, and then funneling them to their info products. This is actually a common theme you'll see as I go down the list, that even if you build your brand in AI education, it's not mutually exclusive with everything else. You can start by building a brand and then layer on all of these other monetization paths. Number 4 is making AI faceless videos, for example, with Sora 2 and VO3. The way this brings money is through platform rewards, for example, TikTok and YouTube Shorts paying you directly. However, that's not where the big money is. The big money in AI faceless videos is, again, funneling people to some kind of other purchase, whether it's an information product, a community, or even an app. Number 5 is becoming an AI product affiliate. For example, for my own product, I offer 50% commission on the first month if you share it with folks in your network. The key to succeeding, though, as an AI product affiliate is, number 1, really enjoying and believing in the tool that you're promoting. Also, it's significantly easier to become an affiliate once you have built a brand and you have some kind of community or audience. However, it's not impossible without an audience. I have also many top affiliates that are using paid marketing to drive awareness and traffic to their affiliate links. Number 6 is an AI community, such as the AI automation communities in school. For more technical communities, the funnel will typically be a long form YouTube video, and then you put a link to your community in the video description. If you have a less technical community, you can definitely drive traffic through short form social media as well, like TikTok and Instagram Reels. The next couple of monetization paths are significantly more technical. So if you have zero tech background, don't even try 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just stick with the ones I mentioned above. Number 7 is doing AI consulting for companies. Now that could be technical, meaning take a look at our systems and let us know where we should deploy AI to achieve time savings and leverage. But it could also be training or advisory work. So it could be a mix of AI education and AI consulting, where you come in and upskill the team, upskill the managers, consult on the strategy for AI for the company. Number 8 is an AI automation agency. This is much harder than it seems because when you go into a business, it's often much more chaotic and messy with different systems that don't necessarily talk to each other, that don't have APIs to make it easy to pull data in and out. But there's definitely still a big opportunity to build an AI automation agency, especially if you like that kind of work, if you like the technical work of building and debugging workflows. Number 9 is to white label a product, such as go high level, and then get really good at implementing AI features for a specific niche. So let's say you're reselling GHL to realtors or to have pre-built AI flows that work really, really well for that niche. And the last one is the hardest, but in my opinion has the largest upside, which is why I'm doing this. You can use AI to vibe code apps like SaaS apps and mobile apps. As you get more users, though, your goal should be to hire a full-time technical person for your vibe coded app, and they will likely switch tooling to a more AI-assisted coding tool like Claude Code or Codex. This is the hardest one to start and actually monetize. All of these other ones are actually easier to start making money with. But the key point I want to leave you with is that most people should start with 1 and 2 because it helps you with all of these other monetization paths you may choose to do in the future.